Welcome back, everybody. It's Jerry here with the Happy Hootie today to show you a fantastic drink that you can make at home. Now, it does require several ingredients, and it's great for the summertime. What is this drink? It's one of my new personal favorites. It's a Strawberry Mint Mojito. What do you need to make it? Well, first of all, you need strawberries and mint. And I don't have any, but I do have some in the garden. Come with me, we'll get it picked out. Here in our fruit garden, we've got some strawberries. And I've also started growing some mint specifically for these drinks. Now what you're going to need as far as mint is just a handful of leaves off of this, so we're going to pluck a few leaves off of our mint. If you pluck it sparingly, the plant will continue to grow and it won't do it any kind of harm. So we've got this sweet mint here, and it's coming along nicely. We'll just grab a few of those. And we also need to find some strawberries. Now, this is early in the season, so we don't have a terrible amount of strawberries, but I see a few that we can get. You want to make sure to get good and ripe ones. That makes for the best. What I like to do is go ahead and just cut the tops off of the strawberries. You're just going to put them in there. I don't know, do 3 or 4 depending on how many strawberries you want to feel like for the day. We happen to have a few of them that were ready to go out there, so we're going to put those in there. You've got some mint. We're going to go ahead and tear that up and put the fresh mint in there. Take 2 or 1 lime pieces and kind of get them squeezed in there. And then once that's in there like that, we're going to go ahead and use a little smashing tool. I went ahead and made this one on the lathe, but they sell actual drink mixer tools. And you're actually just going to go ahead and mix that up a little bit in there. That's going to get all those flavors put together. And it's strawberry and lime and mint kind of smashed together in there. And once you've got that mixture at the bottom, it's time to start adding some liquids. So the liquids that go in this consist of your choice of white rum. We've gone with this Plantation brand, and you're going to put 1 shot of this. You can add more if you like to. And then you're going to add 1 shot of simple syrup. Now again, this is something you can buy from the store. You can make your own. I've made my own for personal preference. It's about half sugar and half water. You heat it up in the microwave until it turns clear, and then let it cool down. And it makes your own homemade simple syrup, which is just sugar and water. So we're going to add a shot of that. And then we're going to go ahead and add some ice. And then we're going to shake it. We've got that beautiful pink drink looking thing going there. Last thing we're going to do is add some club soda. This is a lovely Walmart brand club soda. That I didn't particularly notice too much difference with, but you're just going to fill up a little bit of that in there. And then you can garnish it to your liking with either mint or a strawberry on the side, and use a straw if you'd like, or just enjoy it as it is. I hope you found this recipe helpful. If you did, please feel free to like and subscribe. Come back and see us again for more great tips. See you next time.